Here's a quick look at our Polytic project inspired by Eric Waugh. We're going to be using chalk pastels for this project. A polytic is any piece of art that's created that uses more than one panel or canvas. So if you're working in a group of two, you've got two pieces of paper, it's going to be a diptych. If you are working in a group of three, you're creating a triptych. And if you are in a group of four, you're creating a quadriptych or a tetraptych. They're very hard to say. Anyway, you guys started with your preliminary drawings. This is a little miniature version of yours. I had to do them all myself, and they're small. But you guys work together in your sketchbooks to create those. Once you've done that, you're going to recreate those drawings on big black paper. And then you're going to trace those lines with white glue. It looks a lot harder than it is. It just takes a little a steady hand and a little patience. And be careful. When you're all done, it's this beautiful white line drawing on black, but the glue's going to dry clear, so it's not going to look like that for long. Once the glue's dry, we're going to use warm and cool colors to color in our compositions. So you're going to use warm in the foreground and cool in the background, or vice versa, and you'll see that in just a second. Once the glue has dried, it is clear and the lines are going to look black. So here I am coloring in all of the instruments in warm colors and using the cool colors for the background. You can do the same thing, or you can reverse them. Here's what the project looked like when it was done. When you're finished this project, you're going to know that you used your preliminary sketch to plan out your ideas. It's always a good idea to do that. You are also going to be able to identify warm and cool colors, and you'll have used them in your project. And you can also tell people that you got to draw with glue. That's pretty cool. The other thing you're going to say is that you were able to use chalk pastels and blend the colors together, creating some really cool effects. And of course, you're also going to be able to use the word polytic and quadriptych at the dinner table tonight. Those aren't words that come up very often at dinner.